Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change monitor refresh rate in Windows 10 PC? Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Display tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Advanced Display Settings link. Under Choose Display section, click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred monitor. Now, under Refresh Rate section, click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred refresh rate. If you are happy with the changes, click on Keep Changes to apply the changes. Select the Reset option to switch back to previous selection. This is how you can change the monitor refresh rate in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.